Assalamualaikum friends. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy recipe of naan that you can make at home. Naan is a bread that we usually use with all gravies like korma, kadhai, and I'm going to share with you the recipe that you can make it on the stove top. First I'm going to take 2 cups of plain flour, all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. I'll be using instant yeast, 1 teaspoon. So all the dry ingredients like this. So I'll be using 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm just eyeballing it. Half of the egg. I'll just check whether how much egg is required. I have taken half cup of milk and half cup of water, and I have just make them warm, not hot. Like when you touch them, it should be warm because it will actually activate our yeast. And I will slowly start adding this milk and water, and we will check whether the complete 1 cup of this mixture is required or not. Let's start folding the dough. How the dough should look like. Okay, it has been covered with the oil. Now I'll let it rest for 1 hour. And then just one tip in order to make the yeast activate fast, just keep your dough in a warm place. I'm covering it with the plastic. Let it rest. Okay, so I have taken out my dough out after around 1 hour. I'll just make 4 pieces of this dough. Just lift up my tawa and do it. Take the naan like this, apply some water over it. And there you go. Beautiful naan made on tawa is ready. You can check it from the back side also. It's done. Do try. Let me know your feedback and